So we'll go over these algebra questions. In question 1, they ask us to write A in terms of P and C. So all they mean here is just get the letter A on its own. So just set it up there. Right, so at the moment I have A on the right hand side. So I'll bring over the C, I'll leave the P. I bring over the C, make that minus C, and I get 2A. Right, I need to get A on its own, so I'll bring over the 2 and divide. That's all I have to do. So just get the letter on its own. So P minus C divided by 2 equals A. And in the second part of the formula, I want to get T on its own. So same thing, I'll leave my V, bring over the U equals AT. And I want to get T on its own, so it's multiplication on the right hand side. So bring over the A and divide. So just V minus U over A. And that gives me T. Okay. Question 2, they're asking us to solve. So it's algebraic fractions, and numbers on the bottom. So basically I need to get rid of the bottom line. So there are 2 ways to do this. I'll probably do the lowest common multiple, as in I get a factor of 5 and 3. Now that minus 1 is really over 1. So I just go, what do 5 and 3 both divide into evenly? I'll say 15. So really what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply each equation by 15. Okay, so just set it up here. But I'm also I'm dividing by 3. So it's 15 divided by 5. Oh, sorry, I'm dividing by 5. So it's 15 divided by 5. So really I'm multiplying by 3. So I might as well just multiply. I'll just put a 3 here. And then I'm 15 divided by 3 is 5. So really I'm multiplying by 5. And here it's fine. I'm just multiplying by 15. Okay. So I'm really multiplying by 3. So that'll be 6x plus 9. Okay. Minus. Now watch that minus, but we'll tidy it up first. I'm really multiplying by 5. So it's 50. I'm multiplying by 15 and dividing by 3. So really I'm multiplying by 5. So put a bracket there. So that'll be 15x here minus 30. Okay, 5 by minus 6. Okay, equals, and I'm multiplying by 15, so that'll be minus 15. Okay, and now I tidy up. See, I have that minus, so I have to put that minus into that second one. You could do it in one go up, but I'll just show the workings. Okay, minus 15 here. And now I solve for x. So 6 minus 15x is minus 9x. Okay, I have my minus 15. Okay, I've 9 and 30, that's 39. And I'll bring that over, that'll be minus 39. And then just solve for x. Okay, so that's minus 54. And it'll be minus 54 divided by minus 9. So I'm dividing by 2 minuses, so I get 6. So it has to be 6. Okay, so when you get the numbers on the bottom, you want to get rid of the bottom number. Okay, so that's basically how you do them. Right, this one they ask us to simplify. Now here it's algebraic fractions again, but we have x's on the bottom. So I can't do lowest common multiple because I have x's. So all I do here is cross multiply. So when they say simplify, all I do is tidy up. So it's this by this. So we'll say 6 5s are 30x. Just multiply it here. Minus 6. Now I have a plus in the middle, so I'm okay with signs. So 4 times 4x. And 4 3s are 12. So just cross multiply. Okay, now my bottom line will be 4x plus 3 multiplied by 5x minus 1. Now you can multiply that if you want, but we'll tie up the top line. So 30 and 16, that'll be 46x minus 6 plus 12 is plus 6. And my bottom line is this. That's it. So when they say simplify, you're not solving, you're just breaking it down as much as you can. Just 5x minus 1. Okay, and the next one, rise a single fraction. Yeah, similar enough here. It's going to cross multiply, but I have a minus, so I just got to be careful there. So similar to this, so when they say rise a single fraction, and do the exact same thing as above, so we'll just, but I got to watch my minus. Now, the minus really goes into this second bracket. Okay, so look, I'll do the 5 first. So 5 2s will be 10x minus 15, and then it'll be minus 4x by 2 minus 8x, and that'll be plus 7 by 2 plus 14. So just watch the minus sign all over 5 2 is 10. Okay. So again, I'm just tidying up as best I can. So 10x minus 8x is 2x. 2x minus 1 over 10. Okay, that's the last one. And then a division. So you just have to divide out. So for division, you just need to know your indice rules and your power rules. So just see it here. Okay, so 2x cubed right. So it's going to be 2x cubed divided by x. So x cubed divided by x squared, and 2 divided by 1. So that'll be 2x squared. So you're just using your indices rule there. Dividing powers, you subtract them. So it'll be 2x squared. Okay, and whatever I get, I multiply back in. So 2x squared by x is 2x cubed plus 4x squared and then I'm subtracting. Change. 3x squared plus 2x here. Okay, and then it's 3x squared divided by x. It's 3x. So 3x up here. And multiply back in. Whatever answer you get at the top, you multiply back in by x plus 2. So 3x by x is 3x squared. And 3x by 2 is 6x. And minus. I change the sign because I'm subtracting top minus bottom. So that'll go to 0. 2x minus 4x. And then bring down your minus 8. and then it's, let's change color here, it's minus 4x divide by x minus 4. So it goes here, and multiply in again, minus 4 by x is minus 4x, and minus 4 by 2 is minus 8. Okay, change your sign, make that a plus, and that's 0. And you always should get 0. That's how you know you're right. So that's my final answer here.